Memphis clinic under fire while patients in pain are without their medications.
Pain Management Centers of America in Cordova closed its doors 4 weeks with little notice. Action News 5's Stephanie Douglas did some digging into why dozens of patients were left without treatment.
The office doors of Pain Management Centers of America in Cordova are locked up tight. This sign telling its nearly 2,000 patients they're closed with no set date to reopen. Why? Well, according to the state health department, they're operating unlicensed.
You have patients out here who really need your help.
Tamika Minor has been a patient with Pain Management Centers of America in Cordova for over 3 years. It's where she receives her neuropathic medication to help with the pain from her multiple spinal surgeries.
I'm recovering from 6.5 spinal surgeries, hip replacement, and I have a rod in my right femur. So that's a lot. That's a lot of metal.
But she says she's been in agony for weeks, unable to fill her medication because of the clinic's closure.
I've texted several times, and the only response I get is, hello, we have notified the provider and the nurse staff once again. What does once again mean? And that was last month.
Action News 5 reached out to one of the owners of the company to get answers.
Our credentialing staff for the practice, they found out that the license was inactive. They forgot to renew it on time.
According to these documents, the State Board of Health says the clinic's license expired on August 31st, 2024, then operated 23 days after the 2-month grace period that ended in October 2024.
As soon as they found out, then they called the board to renew that.
While awaiting approval for a new license, the clinic has stopped operating and is required to pay $23,000 in civil penalties. That's $1,000 per day for each day the clinic operated unlicensed, and an undetermined amount to cover the cost of their investigation.
We have been working to get this resolved as soon as possible.
Meanwhile, as Pain Management Centers of America remains closed with no official date to reopen, its patients can request to be transferred to Mid-South Pain or Spectrum Pain Management. Reporting, I'm Stephanie Douglas, Action News 5.